Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court grants extension of 6 months to CBI for completion of trial against Jagdish Tytler and Abhishek Verma. Patna High Court directs CBI to complete the probe in case of irregularities in teachers' recruitment. Kerala government to approach the Apex Court against governor's inordinate delay in signing bills. DGCI issues demand notice of Rs 1728 crores to ICICI Lombard. Pro-Khalistan graffiti found written at Delhi flyover. Police registers case. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The Supreme Court has granted an extension of 6 months to the Central Bureau of Investigation to conclude the trial involving Congress leader Jagdish Tytler and arms dealer Abhishek Verma. The two are charged with the offences of forgery, cheating and corruption. The complaint was filed by Congress leader Ajay Makin in 2009, who was then the Minister of State for Home. Makin claimed that a forged letter on his letterhead was written to the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. The letter was given to a Chinese telecom firm with the purpose to wrongfully assure them of a visa extension in India. Both Tytler and Verma have been booked under the relevant provisions of the Indian Penal Code for attempting to cheat and under the Prevention of Corruption Act. The top court previously in October last year gave the CBI a deadline to complete the trial within 6 months. However, the agency sought more time. Special Judge M.K. Nagpal of the Rouse Avenue Court also supported the request made by CBI and wrote to the Apex Court in April this year that an extension be granted to the investigating agency. The Apex Court has now approved the said request, granting additional 6 months to CBI. The High Court of Patna directed the Central Bureau of Investigation to complete its investigation into the irregularities in the appointment and promotion of teachers in Bihar during 1980 to 1998. A single-judge bench of Justice Rajiv Ranjan Prasad dismissed all petitions, challenging the preliminary investigation report of the CBI. The court said that the report filed by the CBI in 2004 points towards large-scale irregularities in the matter of appointments and promotions of teachers of the lower subordinate education service in Bihar. The court criticized the government over the huge delay on their part by sitting over the preliminary inquiry report of the CBI and directed the Bihar government to look into the reasons for delay in taking action on the basis of such reports submitted by the Central Investigating Agency in 2004 in the matter pertaining to the appointment of around 300 assistant teachers by different authorities without following the norms and against the procedure prescribed. The High Court, while granting the state government 1 month to take appropriate action, said that a lot of damage has been done to the interest of the state due to inaction, and those behind this inaction are required to be identified and appropriate action is needed to be considered. The Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, has issued a statement that the state government will be approaching the Apex Court against Governor Arif Muhammad Khan's refusal to sign as many as 8 bills passed by the State Assembly. The Chief Minister said that the actions of the governor reminds one of the colonial era. The CM further highlighted that the said bills were presented before the governor after deliberation and discussion, but there are 8 bills pending with the governor, and 3 of those bills are awaiting his signature since a period of 1 year and 10 months. The CM said that the governor cannot unnecessarily delay the bills sent to him after the assembly passed them. The state government has sought the opinion of senior advocate Fali S. Nariman in order to address the question if the governor has power to indefinitely hold bills without giving his assent. Notably, the bills are sent to the governor for assent under Article 200 of the Constitution of India, which provides that the governor shall declare either his assent or he can withhold his assent. The same article also provides the governor with the power to reserve the bill for consideration of the president. But the said article does not provide any time limit for giving assent. The Directorate General of GST Intelligence, which is the law enforcement agency under the Ministry of Finance and responsible for preventing tax evasion in the nation, served a demand notice of Rs 1727 crores on ICICI Lombard General Insurance. The notice was issued owing to non-payment of tax in certain supplies between July 2017 to March 2022. ICICI Lombard in its statement said that the alleged demand and the show cause cum demand notice pertains to non-payment of GST on the co-insurance premium accepted as follower in case of co-insurance transactions and non-payment of GST on reinsurance commission accepted on the reinsurance premium ceded to various Indian and foreign reinsurance companies during July 2017 to March 2022. ICICI said it will be filing an appropriate response to the said notice, which pertains to industry-wide issues. The Delhi police today registered a case after discovering Pro-Khalistan graffiti written on the walls of a flyover in the Kashmiri Gate area in Delhi. A video came into notice on September 27, showcasing visuals of defacement through graffiti in support of Khalistan. The police conducted a thorough search and found the graffiti and had it removed. Meanwhile, an FIR was registered under the relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code, along with the Delhi Prevention of Defacement of Public Property Act. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.